Well, good morning, Bear Creek. I'm out here by the cross because that's where we get all of our hope and healing. On the 10th, we have a pretty big service coming up. It's going to be in the afternoon, 4:30, and it's a healing service where Pastor Brooke and a few others are going to be talking about those broken relationships in our life. There's times we go to the doctor, there's times when we're hurting, we know we can't fix this on our own. If you've broken a bone, if you've had a fever or a bad infection, you know that you need help outside of yourself to make things better. Relationships, sometimes though, we just internalize things and we think, I can get this done. But we need to come to the great physician. That's one of Jesus' names. He is the great physician because he can heal the wounds, not just of our bodies, but of our souls. So come to the healing service on the 10th. There'll be some light refreshments afterwards, and there'll be a time where you can hear testimonies and maybe share your own story of pain, but definitely to find some hope. So if that fits you or anybody you know, invite them out, and we'll see you then. On a lighter note, the following week we'll have our small group starting on the 17th. We're going to be having a time where we can come together and meet in smaller groups, interacting with each other. And this time there are so many options, you have no excuse but to sign up. I know my schedule's pretty busy, but there's one on Grace, that's an online one, so we can get around our computers and have cyber fellowship. We'll be learning about the Wesleyan Quadrilateral, which I think is theology and algebra combined somehow. No idea, that's why I need this class. There's one in Duval. We're going to be doing dinner in a bunch of areas. There's a weekend social time where I read something about hiking and chocolate tours. I don't know how you could miss that. You don't even need to love Jesus to love chocolate. So there's lots of options, book studies, things here at church, things in people's homes. So make sure you check out the small groups, talk to Janelle and Danielle, mostly Danielle, and they'll help you out. Last but not least, also on the 17th, right after church, is going to be our big chili cook-off. Since it's right after Valentine's Day, we're going to do some man versus woman couple interaction where we're going to compete to see who makes the best chili. I'm going to make a batch, Erica will make a batch and things like that. And after you sample each other's chili, you can look in each other's eyes and say, you make my heart burn. Yeah. Maybe not in the way that you mean on Valentine's Day, but it should be a great event. So make sure you check out our social media, look at our website, but mostly let's engage with the Lord as we continue to worship. Talk to you soon.